Anyway.
It is Jermaine. I went to Glamourholic yesterday, and this segment is Jermaine and Andre's favorite segment
Is it?
of Smile Jamaica.
Big up Jermaine
Girl
and Andre.
talk. But they said this is what allows them to understand what women are thinking and to get a better appreciation. So good morning, gentlemen.
You're so welcome.
How are you?
Yes, yes. We need to set the show on the road.
So yes. So this morning we're talking about how to embrace new challenges. The thing is, changes have to happen at some point, and that usually brings discomfort. So how do you embrace these changes and make the best of it? We're gonna find out.
Yes, yes. Are you change averse?
Change of verse.
You are not change averse. They just want smell a whiff of change in the air. Ching! She's running.
I schedule
it.
change. I
You
schedule change.
schedule change.
I schedule change.
What a word. That is so
I
powerful.
schedule change. I said in a year, I'm going to change this. 2 years, that has to change. 4 years, if I don't change this, I'm going to be mad at myself.
Can I tell you something? I used to be so change averse.
Okay.
Used to afraid of it. Just don't like it. Comfort zone was a nice place to play. No, we cannot stay there. I can't stay there. If you're not changing, if you're not moving, if you're not developing, if you're not growing, you are stagnant.
It have to be done.
Have to be do.
So our source is www.endsight.com, and it says, embrace challenge. If there's something that separates pros from amateurs in any domain of life, it's the willingness to welcome obstacles and embrace challenges. Pros see them as a force that will make them stronger, sharpen their skills, make them more valuable. Yeah.
Yep. The next one is to be ready for anything and everything. Here's how that goes. When you have a willingness to be challenged, it opens up more of your mind, so you can always be in a state of readiness for whatever is to come, be it a good change or a bad change. In sports, they call it active readiness, and it keeps
Always
you
ready.
open and your mind open to creatively problem solve. And it helps you to develop agility. And when we talk about agility, we don't mean physical agility. We mean your mind can move from that place of, oh my gosh, it didn't happen the way it was supposed to happen. What's the next best thing? How do I navigate this change and come out winning?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Sports, is it? Sports. That's the thing you have to learn from the court. You know, move. The ball gone the wrong way. Oops, me have to change and run, go down this. Me have to go up on the defensive now.
Real time
Offensive
too.
not happening anymore. And, yes, yes.
For sure.
The more you embrace challenges and stay flexible is the more you free up the mental space to be creative. So be a creative force. Use your imagination and don't keep it hidden. It's a powerful tool that not only brings your best thinking to life, it unleashes your hidden superpowers. Take the cape out, people. You can tell during brainstorm sessions and strategy meetings who has cultivated their imagination and those who haven't. And unfortunately, sometimes those who haven't love to tell those who have that not gonna work. But you go with that, that not sound good. No, so don't allow. If I had a penny for everything I was gonna do that somebody said, me not like that, that not gonna work. And even after it work, you know, them tell us that it never worked to me.
It never worked to me.
It never worked to me.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
Of us live lives of regret because we have ideas that felt real to us in our gut.
Correct.
And we allowed other people to impose their opinions on that idea and kill it. You cannot allow anybody else to kill your dream. As Harry said, if she had $1 for every time somebody told her that's not going to work, then you'd be sitting here wondering, suppose I had tried to do it. No, sir. Regret, not keep. Regret, not keep. Let me tell you this today. If you have an idea in your mind, a creative idea in your mind, and you feel in your gut, you can trust this, that it's real and it's going to happen. Do not allow anybody to cry you down and tell you say it can't work. Better you try it and fail and say, it never work.
So what me if it don't work?
Yeah.
What got me if it don't work?
You're not going to dead.
No.
And you take the lessons from that time it never worked, so that the next time you have an idea, you can say, all right, I'm not going to do it that way. They can't work last time. find a new set of ideas, and you move again.
Me not like
Fade
it.
up.
Me not think it's gonna work. So yeah,
Fade
me gonna
up.
try though.
Yeah.
And it don't work, and them say me tell you say it ain't gonna work. You say yeah, but me did try. Make it work. Make it work.
Gotta get up and try.
Yeah.
Challenges can be found in play too.
Absolutely.
So we love sports like surfing and climbing and mountain biking because they challenge and they test us. Not really, not me, not in Jamaica. But these activities bring out our playful sides as well as competitive sides, right? Because who doesn't like to win? Mm-hmm. Games are also fun, even when they challenge us. So
If you want what? Talk about a domino, a ludo, a karaoke. Jamaica people love games, you know, man. We love to test. You can't beat me on this, you know. And sometimes I think people see that and watch them an idol.
No.
But they don't understand the kind of creativity and brain work that goes in it. And sometimes some of the lessons that they can apply to something else.
Sports and games, always a metaphor for life itself.
Yeah.
So if you are active in sport, we talked earlier about that and how the strategy on the field of play can help you in the strategy of life.
Yeah.
It's all inextricably linked. Just figure out the map and cut and go through. But as the theme song that we're playing now tells you, sometimes it's gonna hurt, sometimes it's gonna burn. Just because it didn't work doesn't mean you're gonna die. You just have to get up and keep trying. Okay? Challenges.
It's the climb, guys.
It's the climb, sister. We love that segment here. Let's do it again.
Yes.
Sometime soon. All right. Challenges and how to embrace them. Don't be afraid, guys. Fear is false expectation appearing real. That's the acronym. False expectation. Cannot be afraid of something that has not said it's going to happen. It's down the road. It's not going to happen. You can make it so that it happens the way you want it to happen. All right? Take a break on Girl Talk. Well, on Smile, really. That's it for Girl Talk. We'll take a break on Smile.